Do you want to get rich faster? Then stop working harder and start thinking differently. The truth is, getting rich isn't about luck or competing with others. It's a precise science you can learn. In this summary, I'll share 5 of the most powerful secrets from the classic book, The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Wattles. Stop struggling to find success. Start creating it with your mind and actions today. Watch this to get the 5 key ideas that will change the way you think about money forever. Let's dive in. Idea 1. Your thoughts create reality. Everything that exists today was once a thought. Before we create anything, a business, a specific lifestyle, or a new product, it must first be created in our minds. You see, things are literally created twice, once in the mind and then in reality. But Wallace takes it a step further. He says that even if our goal seems impossible to the naked eye, we must hold an unwavering belief that it is possible. What we want is already available and waiting for us. That's where faith comes in. Many people call this principle the law of attraction, manifestation, or the self-fulfilling prophecy. Meaning, if we deeply believe that something will happen, we'll naturally begin looking for the opportunities to make it happen. This creates a strong drive to achieve your goals. You would feel foolish giving up if you knew that the prize is already there, waiting for your action. You would no longer believe failure exists unless you stop trying. So, even when circumstances get tough, you know it's only a matter of time before you achieve your goals. Struggles are part of the journey. That's why it's important to guard your thoughts and what you let inside your mind. Set up your environment to make it hard for unproductive or doubtful thoughts to appear. Idea 2. Get clear on your goals. Have you ever seriously thought about the life you want and the goals you want to achieve? You feel motivated to work hard and achieve those goals. But then you have other days where you can't find the motivation to get work done. This can be the result of not having a powerful desire. According to Wallace, having a crystal clear picture of what your goals are and spending time going over these details creates a powerful desire in your mind to achieve them. Let me ask you a question. How many days in a row have you written out your goals or even thought about your goals in detail? For most people, the answer is none. The majority of people make goals or resolutions at the start of the year, and then sort of think about them every now and then, if at all. Imagine how you'd feel if you looked over your goals in detail every day, not just random numbers and wishes, but visualizing their achievement, claiming them as already yours. How would you feel when you accomplish your goals? How would this impact your life and your family? Where would you go? What experiences would you have? After picturing your desired life, pay attention to how energized you feel. The more you go over these goals, the stronger your desire to succeed becomes. Idea 3. Money is just a form of value. We make value transactions every day. Some have monetary value and some do not. Even as a kid, when you traded snacks at school or did a favor for a friend, you made a transaction of value. It just wasn't monetary. Money gives us the ability to store the value we provide to others and exchange it later for something we want. A waitress can exchange the value she provided at her job for a house or a car. Without money, you wouldn't be able to exchange your services as a teacher, for example, for a nice vacation, unless you were very creative. Because of how money works, being rich is often thought of as being greedy. But Wallace argues that the possession of money is just the result of providing value to the world. To be rich, you must provide as much value as possible to as many people as possible. And to continue creating riches, Wallace explains that you must provide more value than the cash value you receive. This surplus of value ensures more people continue doing business with you, as they always gain more than they paid. Think of some of the biggest companies that exist. Each of them changed the world by delivering helpful products and services to their customers. Microsoft provided one of the world's first operating systems with Windows, forever changing the way we do personal computing and office work. Amazon created the most effective online retail platform in the world, far beyond what people thought possible. And Zappos revolutionized e-commerce by providing great customer service, offering free shipping, and making it safe to buy high-end shoes online. The more value you deliver to the world, the more money you can make. Idea 4. Focus on creation rather than competition. Competition is rooted in the idea of scarcity in resources. The term competition implies that you are fighting to take away value from other people. But according to Wallace, you can always achieve the success you see in others without taking away theirs. You do not have to take advantage of others to get rich. This is why Wallace urges us to focus on creation over competition. Creators get what they want in such a way that when they get it, every other person involved will walk away with more value than what they had before. Imagine that you created a great product that helps people learn how to code faster. You sell your product for a few $100s to professionals and small business owners. For many people, a few $100s might seem expensive. But this product in the hands of professionals can immediately save them thousands in outsourcing costs or lead to a big promotion, making the value you provided much higher than the cash value you received. If we begin thinking in this competitive manner, we begin reacting with fear, which might stop us from taking action or believing that our goals are actually achievable. Creation, on the other hand, gives us the powerful feeling of abundance, unlimited resources, and limitless opportunities. If you don't have what you want yet, you will find it or create it. Idea 5. Become an advancing man. The goal is to become someone who is consistently in a state of increase and growth. Wattles says, "If you can give increase of life to others and make them sensible of the fact, they will be attracted to you and you will get rich." The person who is certain to advance in life is the one who is too big for their current place. They are clear on what they want to become. They know they possess the ability to become it, and they're determined to achieve it. Wallace says to hold the faith of increase and advancement 24/7, before, during, and after work hours. Hold this belief so powerfully that every person who comes in contact with you will feel the power of purpose radiating from you. Every single person will get the sense of advancement and increase by being near you. This energy attracts people, resources, and opportunities to you. And finally, Wallace stresses the importance of gratitude. He says you should get rich while being grateful for everything, from small blessings to major achievements. Being thankful for what you have affirms your faith that you'll receive what you desire. Gratitude ensures your mind stays focused on abundance and creation. Wallace says if you do these things, then you will certainly get rich. That's all for the science of getting rich. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found the video to be helpful.